Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to talk about one of the golden tickets to a stable and rewarding career in India, the GATE exam. Yes, you heard that right. Beyond academia, your GATE scores can unlock numerous job opportunities in public sector undertakings, or PSUs. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal about PSUs? Well, these are government-owned companies involved in sectors like energy, infrastructure, manufacturing, and telecommunications. They offer not only job security, but also great benefits and the pride of contributing to the nation's development. Step 1. Ace that GATE exam. Scoring well in GATE is your first step. PSUs use these scores to shortlist candidates for various engineering and scientific roles. So, aim high and prepare thoroughly. Step 2. Keep an eye on PSU notifications. After your GATE results are out, PSUs release their recruitment notifications. Each PSU has its own criteria and cut-off scores, so stay updated and apply accordingly. Step 3. The selection process. If you're shortlisted, you'll go through group discussions and personal interviews. This is where you showcase not only your technical knowledge, but also your communication and problem-solving skills. Step 4. Seal the deal. Once selected, you're on your way to a lucrative career with a handsome starting salary, excellent perks, and immense growth opportunities. So there you have it. A good GATE score not only opens doors to higher education, but also to prestigious PSU jobs. Put in the hard work, stay focused, and you can secure a bright and stable future. Best of luck, aspirants. Keep pushing forward and make your dreams a reality. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Catch you in the next video.